I woke up this morning just like I normally do. Turn my app on to see, what the activity is for the day. If I'm going to do airport or I'm going to do hotels and stuff like that. And my account was deactivated. 100%. Account was deactivated. There was no, hey, contact us because we got an issue. No, it was deactivated. And I'm like, what the hell did I do to get deactivated? I've been driving on this app for almost 5 years. What did I do to get deactivated? So, of course, I'm sitting there about to message them. I'm still laying in bed. I'm about to message them. I say, you know what? I ain't messaging Lyft. No, because I've messaged them before and nothing ever gets done. Let me contact them to see what happened. So first it says safety concerns. I don't know what safety, because I know when I drive, every once in a while, I look at the app and it'll say like 80 miles an hour. But I'm like sitting in front of somebody's house, like waiting on them. And my phone started going like 82 miles an hour, flashing red. And I'm thinking if that's the issue, I actually got that video recorded showing it's saying 42 miles an hour. And I'm like turning the corner in somebody's neighborhood and it's saying 42 miles an hour flashing. Got all of that stuff. So I called the lady, and some lady, Neil, whatever her name is. I'm like, hey, I woke up this morning, my account is deactivated. What's going on? And she's like, and I'm telling you, I'm pissed off at this point. I'm riled up at this point. I'm about to, what did I do to get deactivated? I've been doing this for years. She says, oh yeah, we have reports that you asked a rider for cash. We have a report of that. I'm like, are you serious? You can look at my account. I've been driving me out for 5 years almost. Look at my account. Who said that I did that? I said, for one thing, you're going to realize, look at the date that they said that. Look at it. And you come back and you tell me if that's even possible. I don't even drive on Lyft. See, I put Lyft online and I show a lot of people that I do a ride here and there on Lyft. I show that. My haters out there in YouTube land think that I drive Lyft. Y'all don't realize what I really do. I told people I only put it out there what I tell y'all that I'm gonna do, but I don't show y'all what I really do. When I'm out with my private rides, y'all don't see me out with my private rides. I don't record those people. Y'all don't need to see those people. I don't record me going to their house, sitting in front of them. I don't do that. So y'all see me doing Lyft. Y'all see me doing Uber. That's all you see me doing. You don't know how I really operate.
The way that I operate, I rarely hesitate, creating that perpetrate, the state of I gotta make.
So this lady told me, y'all got deactivated for cash rides. Now, when they deactivate you for doing cash rides, you get deactivated on the spot. So if I'm driving at night and somebody reports me that night, I'm deactivated before I even log back on again. Happens to people all the time. So apparently one of my haters in YouTube land, one of you motherfuckers out there,
I see you, motherfucker,
decided to call Lyft and say that I was out trying to do a cash ride, that I tried to pick you up and convert the ride or whatever. One of y'all did that because I told Lyft, look at my account. When was the last time I even drove for y'all? Look at my cancellations. When was the last time I even drove for y'all? Call whoever I drove and you tell me whether or not that person reported me. And I can guarantee you with 100% surety that person didn't report me. Didn't. Because I don't ask people for cash rides. I don't do that. If I'm going to convert a ride, there's a way that I do it. A lot of people who know me in real life know how I do it. Y'all online, I put it in the group. I put it in my little group how I do it. But as far as me doing it and showing the general public how I do it, nah. And that's where one of you fucking haters got caught up. Because y'all thought y'all had me. Y'all called Lyft. Had my account deactivated this morning. At this point, I don't know what to do. They're going to review my account. They're going to let me know what they decide based on what I said versus what they said. But I already know these fucking haters out there in YouTube are the ones doing this. So this is how they get you deactivated off of a platform. They start making phone calls. Oh, I hate the fact that he making all this money. I hate the fact that he doing what we can't do. He out here getting people paid. People got all this money. They not doing it how we doing it, and they making more money than us. Oh, I'm pissed off at Jeff. Let's report him. So of course they reported me. For what reason though? See, y'all gotta have y'all shit more tight than that. Because if I was permanently deactivated forever, they would not have said we're going to review it. They said, well, we'll review it. We'll get back to you. We'll let you know. I said, cool. Because she put me on hold for about 6-7 minutes. She could have came back and said, hey, you know what? You're permanently deactivated. There's nothing we can do about it. Sorry. She said, I talked to my supervisor. We'll get right back to you. Give us a minute to get. I got to head to the dentist right now. So I'm going to head to the dentist. By the time I leave the dentist, I want to know whether or not I'm deactivated or not. So for the fact that they said, we'll review it and we'll get right back to you, that lets you know. They know I'm telling the truth. We got haters out there, and I even told them I'm on YouTube. I said, I guarantee somebody from YouTube contacted you. One of these people off of YouTube that see my channel contacted you. I said, I ain't driving nobody around and ask for cash. Somebody's lying. We'll get back to you. I'm like, let me know. I said, because I'm going to tell you right now, if y'all deactivate me based purely on a lie from somebody just randomly making a phone call trying to say this driver did this driver did that, and y'all pull me offline, I have a claim against y'all now. Because you can deactivate me for no reason at all. Zero reason. Just like you can fire somebody for no reason at all. You can fire them at a company for no reason at all. But if you fire them because they're black, because they're handicapped, because they're a lesbian, now you got a problem. So y'all deactivated me because someone said I tried to get cash from them instead of doing a straight up ride on the app. Let me know who said that. I just want to know. And it's not that I want to know. I want you to know. Sit and look at it. Look at my account. Look at when the report came in. Look at what the writer said. So if the writer says, this is when he did it, this is how it went down, then you got a case against me then, huh? But see, like I said, my haters, I don't show y'all everything. I keep my shit tight because I'm smart. And I know exactly what half you motherfuckers out there trying to do. Y'all trying to knock people off. Y'all see people making good money, you a hater. You see people doing something you ain't doing and succeeding at it, you a hater. You see a channel actually doing well, you a hater. So of course, you gonna hate on me. I'm smart enough to realize that. I wake up every day knowing, Jeff, keep your armor on. You got haters all around you, keep your armor on. Had to wear my battle fatigues and blend with the trees, committing penalties, you ain't assembled with me. I woke up today getting ready to get on the app so I could see some airport shit before I go to my dentist appointment. Deactivated. I'm like, this gotta be some hater shit. Gotta be some hater shit. Cause I know my account better than anybody else knows my account. I know the people I drive around better than anybody else online knows. Y'all might see a name, you might see a time frame or a date, but who in the hell do you think you are to try to contact Lyft to deactivate my account when you don't know my account as well as I know it? That's why I don't post a lot of ride-alongs no more. See, when I post ride-alongs, people are getting information off these ride-alongs. They know what part of town I'm in. They knowing who I'm driving around. They knowing what times of day I'm driving. You know what? Let me kind of hold back on these ride-alongs a little bit. I do little spotty ride-alongs here and there. I might show y'all me sitting in the gas station scouting rides every once in a while, shit like that. I might show y'all me driving to pick somebody up and talk to about it, but you don't know what I do after that. The next time you see my screen, what is it? You see all this money sitting on my account, but you don't know what I did to get it. Like, wait a minute, last time he showed his account, it said like $42. Now it's at $198. What the hell did he do? I know how haters are. So I don't fuck with them haters. I don't put my shit online like that. This is the reason why. For me to wake up deactivated today, that's the reason why. I know exactly who called. I've been removing comments off my channel. There's 2 or 3 haters on my channel, and I already blocked banned their ass already, so they got mad. One of them was the dude, that was the one who was trying to, I did a short about him. He was the one that was trying to, like, what do you call it? Dox me. So he was in comments earlier than that. I should have removed his ass before that. He was in comments earlier than that. Oh, I can get you kicked off the platform. Oh, you think you this, you think you that. I can get you kicked off. He was the one who was saying that shit. Other haters have came in. Yeah, until you get kicked off. You think you some until you get kicked off and you can't make no money then. What? And this is right before the busy season, the holiday season, New Year's Eve and everything, right before. So you know these haters, they was like, man, we got to prove a point. He's been doing too well. He's doing too good. He got other people doing good. Man, let's get him booted. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to find out who he is, find out how he is, and I'm going to get him kicked off the platform. This is how we going to do it. It worked. I'm deactivated. It worked. But what you don't realize is who I am. I told y'all, I was going to go to law school. I got, offered 10 different law schools made offers to me to come after I took the LSAT. You probably think that because I'm deactivated, you got me. Oh, we got him. In this video, I didn't even have to make this video. I made this to show everybody out there, watch your shit, watch your back. Haters are out there all around us. We gonna have to go underground. That's why I started putting shit in that little off group, because all the haters in the main group see how we move, see how we make money. So of course they gonna contact Lyft. Of course they gonna contact Uber. But the fact that they said after 6 or 7 minutes of having me on hold, we'll get back to you. I said, okay, get back to me. So in the meantime, while they're trying to get back to me, I'm gonna let all you haters know. Oh, I'll still be driving. Just not on Lyft, but I'll still be driving. See, you can't stop my flow. You can't stop the money. You can't stop what we do. You probably thinking, oh, we can get him kicked off the apps and now he's broke. They've been trying to, all your house is foreclosed on. They've been saying that, oh, you can't be doing that on the app. We can get you kicked off the app. You don't know what we can do. We can do stuff to your account. We can get you kicked off of YouTube. We can flag all your videos. Like I said, all my videos get 1, 2, 3 thumbs down. Every single one of them. It's the same group of haters. Same group of haters out there trying to stop me. Every video, 1, 2, 3 dislikes. Every once in a while, I get a 4th dislike. I don't care. It's like, what's that gonna do? You still watching the videos. I'm still making the videos. So now that you know you can't stop the flow of the videos, let's fuck his money up now. Let's see what we can do to fuck his money up now. You really think that's gonna work? You think this deactivation is gonna stick? You really believe that? Like you know who I am? You have no idea who I am. The next time I talk to you, I guarantee you, I'll be back online. I can guarantee that because I know when they said, hey, we'll get back to you, they realized exactly what I was saying. See, you haters don't know me because I don't give y'all enough shit to latch on to. I'll see y'all back online later on. I'm that confident. It ain't cocky. It ain't arrogant. I'm that confident. Had to wear my battle fatigues and blend with the trees, committing penalties. You ain't assembled with me. We the 300, a villain superhero, Angel Hall like De Niro, cigars like Puro. Celebrate the hating that we get, cause it's like that. Despite that, dislike that. You can put the pipe back, you jaded crack baby from the 80s, cause you tripping. Time keep on slipping, but I'm gonna keep on lifting all my people out of poverty with missions and assignments. 11-11 tatted, cause I stay in the alignment. I'm bringing all the smoke to your choke, cause I'm on one. I'm not done. I fear no man, do not run. The shit that you got is all the shit that I had. I've been up, now I'm on my landing pad like SpaceX.